I just come in with a quick message to start of the year. I just came to remind you lot that this is your year, yeah? You got this. 2024 is a year of blessings. You know, we're gonna achieve what we want to achieve, and we're gonna go out there and try pursue our goals and try pursue things that we've never tried before. Like just stating the obvious, but like we only live once, so we might as well go out there and try achieve what we want to achieve, try achieve our dreams and everything like that. You know, it ain't easy, but no one said it was gonna be easy. Let's go out there and let's persevere. Let's exercise our resilience. Let's go out there and try our best. Like, I'll be giving you a few tips to stay on top of that. It won't be easy, but like I said, it won't. Like, nobody said it'd be easy. But let's go. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1 is therefore journaling. Journal everything. Trust me. You could be going through anything, whether it be business, education, mental health, physical health. Journal everything. If you're going through social anxiety, go through things that make you think the way you're thinking, so that you can obviously strategize on how to prevent these things from happening, if you know what I mean. So say you go outside and you're feeling socially anxious, obviously, and then all of a sudden you start comparing yourself to other people. What triggers that? What triggers that? There's a root to everything. Trust me, there's a root to everything. Like, for example, it could have been like when you were a kid. Most of them do tend to come from childhood. So like when you journal these things, it gets you back to a root, and then you can correct that. You can correct that with what or who you actually are, who you know that you are. Like, figure out your strengths, pretty much. Figure out your strengths. If you're resilient, you're resilient. That's great. If you persevere, you persevere. That's great. Those are all good traits. If you are good at being a good friend, that's a trait. Trust me. Pretty much list out everything that you're good at, and it might help you to also know your weaknesses, and then you just work on your weaknesses from there. Trust me. I've been there, I've done that. And right now, I'm going through something that I've never been through before. Like, this is my first YouTube video, you know what I mean? So I'm feeling a bit nervous speaking to you, man, but bro, I'm getting out my comfort zone. So why shouldn't you? Go ahead. Tip number 2, religion. I truly believe that religion's a great solution to anything. Like, whether it be bad situations, whether it be business, whether it be health, mental, physical, spiritual, emotional, or financial. I believe that your religion might have a, response to any of these solutions that you're going through. Like, for example, me with the Bible, I read the Bible every night. I try to read the Bible every night before I fall asleep. And sometimes they got plans on the Bible app that goes through things that, you might be going through, such as anxieties, such as social health, ignore that, such as, mental health, all them things, you know what I mean? All them things that you might come across in life. They got plans for that. Plans that, target specific Bible verses that might, resonate with you. And that obviously improves you and improves who you are, because then you'll start to remember these things, and every time that you're going through these things, you'll be like, oh yeah, that. I can easily read that. I can easily find that there. I know exactly where it is. So yeah, it's just a tip. If you've got a religion, try to, pursue that. Tip number 3, exercise. I truly believe that exercise is really good for you. It's really good for anything. Any situation, again, whether it be business, anything that you're going through, exercise. Like, every time I exercise, that's where I be getting the clearest thoughts ever. The clearest thoughts. Like, in exercise, you practice resilience. Like, say you're going through something that's extremely hard, especially through weights or something. You're lifting weights and you finally upped, the amount of weight that you're lifting. And you're going to be like, oh no, I can't do this. I can't do that. Oh, I've been training with this whole time. If I up it, I won't be able to do that. That's resilience. You're going to do it anyway. And you're just going to better yourself from there. That improves your confidence, knowing that you got that resilience, knowing that you can face any challenge in the world and you'll face it head on, because you won't back down. Like, exercise is where you actually truly think. You truly think. Like, sometimes you doubt yourself, but you do it anyway. You know what I mean? And once you figure that out, that you can do it anyway, No matter how you're feeling, no matter if you're feeling anxious about an exam, no matter if you're feeling anxious about meeting new people, if you're feeling anxious about making a new channel on YouTube or something like that, and you just do it anyway, that's resilience. That's something right there, you know? That's something that you should be confident in, something that you should be happy about. That's a trait. It's not even a trait, it's just something that you build, trust me. You could join like any athletics club, basketball club, football club, anything like that. Any club, boxing. Boxing's really good as well. You just go out there, it's like you versus you pretty much. Never mind the other people. You versus you. You're improving yourself. That's what it's all about. That's why I love exercise, man. Like first thing in the morning, you just get like, you know, the clearest thoughts ever. And then you go through all that. And then after that, you got the rest of the day to do whatever you want. Whether it be homework, whether it be business, whether it be anything. And then you can think straight. You can think straight no matter what situation comes your way. You got it. You got it. Tip 4, exposure. Expose yourself to things that you're not really comfortable in doing so that you can get comfortable in doing it. Like say you're anxious about joining a sports club, basketball, football, athletics, anything. You like the first thing, the hardest thing to do even is just getting there. Believe me, once you get there, it's like once you get there in the first session, it might be a bit nerve-wracking, but like once you habituate yourself to it, you get used to it, you're cool. Believe me. And what you start to notice is that it's you versus you yet again. It's you versus you. So, for example, say if you're going to like, you know, sports club for the first time ever, pretty much what you should do after that sports club is obviously journal it, so that you know how you're feeling in the first time that you went there. So that next time that you go, you know exactly how you felt and you know how to challenge how you felt. If you felt anxious, why do I feel anxious? How can I prevent this? Breathing techniques, things like that, you know what I mean? And what you gotta remember is that although you're your main character, not everyone's watching you. That simple phrase changed everything for me. Although I'm my own main character, everyone else is everyone else's main character, you know what I mean? Individually, we're all our own main characters, is what I'm trying to say. So like, it's you versus you. You can only do your best. So go out there and do your best. And you can only go up from there. You can only improve from there. Believe me. Expose yourself to like, you know, situations that you're not comfortable in. If you're not comfortable in, you know, talking to girls or something like that, talk to girls. That's the only way you can actually get better. Yeah, you can watch all these YouTube videos telling you to like, you know, telling you tips and everything like that. But you got to put it into practice yourself. You got to do it yourself, you know what I mean? And that's the truth, innit? But you got this. Truly believe in you. You got this. Just go out there, expose yourself. You can only get better from there. That's what self-improvement is, mate. And tip number 5 from me is self-love. You can't love anyone else until you love yourself. Believe me. Love yourself first, bro. Or sister. Love yourself first. It's so important. Love yourself first. Like, yeah, you should love other people, but you can't love other people if you don't love yourself. If that makes sense. Love yourself first. You're the king. You're the queen. Value yourself. Have boundaries. Set boundaries. Don't let people walk over you. Believe me. Because sometimes, yeah, you might let other people walk over you, but that thought stays in your head throughout the night, throughout the day. You can't have that. You can't have that. You can't take any more of it. Value yourself. Set boundaries for yourself. Don't let other people dictate how you should live your own life. It's your life. You only live once. Don't treat it like you got a second life. We're not like cats. We don't have 9 lives. You get me? One life. Make the most out of it. Do what you want this year, man. Or sister. Do what you want. Go out there. Do what you want. If you want to do boxing, go do boxing. If you want to do like business, go do business. Achieve. You got this. Whether it be in education, like high school or something like that. Pass your GCSEs. Pass middle school, whatever it is in America. Go past that. Go to college and everything like that, or uni. You know, whatever you're trying to achieve, like, go out there and achieve it. Go out there and achieve it. You got this. I believe in you, mate. And to close this video off, just know that I believe in you. I don't know where you're watching this from. I don't know when you're watching this. But I believe in you. You got this. No matter what you do, go out there. Expose yourself. You can only get better. believe me. Sometimes you might walk in life, you might not know what direction you're going. You don't know what's next. You don't know what to do with yourself. You don't know like what to achieve. You might feel lost, which is typical. Believe me, there are more people than you think that same way. Just go out there, expose yourself to different things, believe me, and you'll find whatever you like. Trust me. You're not the only one. I've been there, and you never know. I might be there again. So, just gotta go out there and expose yourself and improve yourself. Do the best that you can. You can only get back from there. But wherever you're watching this from, whenever you're watching it, have a good day, have a good evening, have a good night, and love, hugs, and blessings sent from me. Take care. Peace.